Welcome to our guide on building an emergency fund. Life is full of unexpected surprises, from car repairs to unexpected bills. Having a financial cushion is essential for peace of mind. In this short video, we will outline 3 simple steps to help you start saving today. Step 1 is to create a realistic budget. Track your income and expenditure to identify where your money is going. Once you understand your spending habits, you can cut out unnecessary costs and redirect that surplus directly into a separate savings account. Even small amounts add up over time. Step 2 involves automating your savings. Set up a standing order to transfer funds on payday, ensuring you pay yourself first. This removes the temptation to spend what you intend to save. Finally, build an emergency fund by aiming for 3 to 6 months' worth of essential living expenses. This video is for educational purposes only, not financial advice.